Guys, guess where I just went? Disneyland section in Claire's. I wish I went to Disneyland. Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to look bomb as fuck for your passport, your driver's license, your mugshot, kind of whatever you need for like official documents. I'm going to teach you how to catfish on a level where you almost don't even look like yourself, to the point where it's even illegal, but it's not. I'm going to teach you how I go from about here to here, because today I'm gonna be taking my picture for my driver's license, my UK passport photo. Look at how stupid I look. You don't want to look like that, okay? You want to look more like this. This is my Canadian passport. See that? A lot more glam, a lot more done up, so that when I get pulled over, people are gonna be like, ma'am, I'm gonna have to ask you to get out of the car. So I'm gonna teach you how to look super duper cute in your photos. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is put on some moisturizer. This one's really nice because it's just basic. Oh, I didn't even catch that on camera. Look what I did. So you're gonna take your moisturizer without putting it on the blanket. The second thing I'm gonna use is lip oil, just to like get my lips all moist and ready for that passport photo, girl. I'm actually gonna be using a primer today as well, so I'm gonna be using the Face Blur by Etude House. I really like this because it just already starts to get rid of the redness on my face. I'm super duper white. I don't think I need to say that out loud. You can already tell I'm super duper white. I just get red so easily. I really like that this already begins to get rid of the redness. Look at that. Boom. So I just picked this up 2 days ago. It's the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 150. I am so happy that I bought this because I tried it for the first time yesterday and it was so nice. Like my makeup looked so laid, bitch. Next, I'm using my Anastasia dipbrow pomade in the shade medium brown. This is one of my first secrets I'm going to share with you guys, is how to get the perfect brow. Dab a teeny bit onto your brush. On the side of your nose, you're going to go all the way up and put a little dot. That's where your eyebrows are going to start. Just under your pupil, that's where your arch is going to be. The end of your eye, that's where it's going to end. Boom. And then just do your brows. And then what I like to do is just get rid of the excess on my hand and just create like a little smudge. And then with my finger I like to dab it. Take a teeny bit of concealer and just go underneath. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a little bit dirty, but don't mind it. I'm going to be taking this shade right here in my crease. So I'm going to use like a smaller, fluffier brush to be a little bit more precise with where I'm putting this. And I'm going to take this brown shade down here and put it in the outer corner. Then I'm going to take the other side of the brush, this little flat part, and use this really shimmery shade right here. Oh my god, look at how beautiful that is. Then I'm just going to go over again with this darker shade right here. Going over again with our crease shade. Shh, don't tell anyone. But another little secret of mine, if I make any mistakes with my eyeshadow, I haven't really made any big mistakes, but if you want to make it look seamlessly blended, you need some powder. So I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Use this powder right here and watch, it literally gets rid of all of the issues. I think this is the secret to eyeshadow. Look at the difference between this and this. This and this. Okay, now this and this. I'm going to tightline my eyes with the Rimmel, is it? Yeah, Rimmel Scandalize Kohl Liner. And then for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So then I'm going to be using my mascara, which is the Telescopic in Extra Black. If you've been following me for a while, you know exactly what I'm about to say. There's 3 rules to life, okay? You gotta exercise, you gotta drink your water, you gotta put on your fake lashes. If you don't put on your fake lashes, bitch, just stop. Just joking. But most of the time, like, I just find when anybody, doesn't matter how nice their natural lashes are, when they just put on fake lashes, it just makes it look so beautiful. I say that.
Now I look stupid.
Why do these lashes not look cute? Okay, I may or may not, I may change them later. So there's actually still a lot of work to do with the eyes, but don't worry, we're gonna come back to that. So now we're going to work on the face. So I'm gonna be using a different concealer than what I'm used to. I found this just chilling in my makeup drawer. It's a full thing of MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15. So I'm gonna be using that today. Okay, I think that looks stupid enough. Then I'm gonna take my sponge and blend this in. To bake my face, I'm gonna be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. This is gonna take you from Walmart looking to Instagram filter. So while that's baking, I'm gonna contour my face with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette in the shade Light, of course. Little teeny trick is just to bring it kind of down your face like that, and it creates like that Angelina Jolie chisel. I think I need a new contour because this one's a dark for my skin. How sad is that? Get rid of that double chin action going on. Just take your sponge with your leftover foundation and just make sure it's all blended in because you don't want like a dark line. That one look cute. Another little thing I like to do, especially if I'm going full out, I'm gonna just actually put the powder under my contour. So the next really important step is to contour your nose. Take a brush like this. So I find it really important to contour like around here. Bring it up to your brows. Because my nose is kind of like round at the end, I like to draw where I want it to kind of stop, and then I bring it down to like create a shadow. Wait, no, bring Carl here.
You what?
What's the
looking at you?
Come here. Come here. So the way to fix this is, again, use your powder. So I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. Whoops. Oh my god. If your room doesn't look dusty with powder, then you're doing it wrong. I'm gonna be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Light Plus. I'm gonna get rid of my baking. I can actually taste the powder in my mouth. That's really disgusting. Then I'm gonna be using my Hoola Benefit, which is almost finished. Then we're gonna do the next step. So for my blush, I'm gonna be using New Romance by MAC. I never really know where to put my blush. I literally just put it everywhere. I'm like, I'm gonna be using Soft and Gentle by MAC. Wow, when I look up close, I'm just like, dude, I'm starting to age. Oh my god, I'm gonna need Botox in the future. And for the fun part. Da da da. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one. Da da da. So I'm gonna be taking this shade and actually going over where I just did my highlight. To go back in with our crease color. Then I'm gonna take the darker shade that we put in our outer corner, put that on the outer area here. I'm gonna take my eyeliner again. And then for the final touches of the eyes, we're gonna coat our lower lashes. Personally, think that your eyes aren't finished either until you've done your lower lashes. It just makes the whole damn look. So today I wanted to use my Kylie Jenner Candy K liquid lip, but I can't seem to find my liner that goes with it. So I'm gonna use Toulouse by NYX and Kylie Jenner's Candy K, and hopefully it works. Is this too much makeup? Probably. Do I care? No. If you want to make your lips look even more fake than they are, take your contour and go under right here. And boom! There we go. There's the finished look. I'm gonna go change, get rid of these Minnie Mouse ears, do my hair, and I'll meet you at the passport place. No, sorry, not passport place. Document picture place. See you guys in a minute. I'm freezing because I'm outside. And I'm taking my clothes off for this picture. Okay, here I go.
Please wait for the camera settings to be adjusted automatically.
Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. And that, my friends, is how you catfish for your goddamn driver's license. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's a lot of content to come. And also don't forget to follow my Instagram and Twitter and Facebook at megamargot. And I will see you guys very, very soon with my next video. Bye!